ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು. ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ
Let's begin the program by welcoming our guests.
ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು. ನಾಳೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲೇ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರಿಸು, ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು. ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡೋ ಪದ ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ
Hello everyone, it's time to cherish as our little stars of upper kindergarten is wearing a crown of graduation. Me being the secretary, as always have the intention of providing highest quality education for our students, and of course that is possible only because of our teachers. I really feel happy and congratulate all the senior KG students on their graduation. We appreciate our teachers for bringing the educational transformation among the children that required at this level. And I also take this moment to thank all our parents for their abundant support, and I also ask to keep the continual support from them so that together we can nurture the children to make the best citizens. Thank you.
Graduation is when we see the academic excellence is achieved in the children. When we really see the transformation, how our students picked up learning the alphabets to the words to the sentences is amazing. I thank to our teachers for teaching them the stories, rhymes, coloring, numbers. All this take them to a different world of learning, which brings us happiness. Altogether, today is a graduation day. I wish to congratulate our students for move on further with all the basics that they have learnt here, and I thank to the teachers for providing the better foundation for our UKG children to being a successful graduate. Thank you.